Alright guys, got a 2015 Chevy SS. Factory converters there and there, down. True load from the factory. There was a resonator there we took out. Put 2 pieces of pipe in and 2.5. Continue it into the rest of the system, and then it goes back into his stock mufflers there and there. Out the back to the stock tips right there and right there. It's clean. There's the old resonator right there. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Exhaust addicts, I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, go ahead. Sound decibels? 104 there. Alright, go ahead. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Still extremely quiet on idle too. 2015 Chevy SS resonator delete.